Drying process takes 22 minutes. Meet the original design requirements. It will take less time on drying. If it is steam heating, as steam has quicker heating up. If it is electrical heating, drying will take about 22 minutes. Why so quick? The air duct design plays the role. The angle between inlet and outlet. The tuning angle. If it is 90 degrees, then drying will take longer time. The density of PERC is high. Solvent usually at the bottom. Designed by Karn is that liquid solvent in drum will be sucked up into the drying chamber. Then it passed through the condensation to water separator, finally recycled to solvent tank. By this way, drying time is greatly reduced.